We're able to treat conditions that were untreatable 2 years ago, and we can treat them in a matter of weeks, not months, not years. We're treating them in a matter of weeks. Southern RNA is a new organization that actually creates an advanced manufacturing capability in the state, something that we haven't had before. So it's a new capability that helps take really interesting research and development and innovation, but actually makes it patient ready. So it takes it from benchtop actually to bedside for the patient. So the latest project we're starting is the fill and finish capability. To do that in this state is a first for the state. So normally when we would finish a vaccine, we would have to do the logistics and the risky journey down to Melbourne or South Australia, where it would be fill and finished into the vial, into the bottle. Costly, risky, time consuming. We can now do that all in the state, straight from the bench to the patient. The first trial we're doing is pediatric brain cancer. So these are kids who are not well. They can't travel to a foreign country. They can't even leave the state, really, to be treated for the condition that they have. So we're actually making vaccines here in Brisbane for patients that can be treated in Brisbane and other pediatric hospitals around the country. So very important for families who need to stay in this country to receive treatment. The state government's been very forward-thinking in the support that they want to provide industry to keep capability in the state. We had a decision. We could have gone to Melbourne, we could have gone to Sydney. We chose Queensland because of the focus on biotechnology and the focus that Queensland's putting on the word sovereignty, i.e. keeping that capability in the state. So the state has encouraged us to stay here, has encouraged us to expand our capacity, expand the services that we offer, and keep it here in Queensland to help the ecosystem in the state.